Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check app usage on the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on the cog, same in the top right corner. Then if we scroll down, under preferences, we find your time on Facebook. Tap on this, and here we have multiple options. We can see our time, we can manage our time, we can get more for our time, and we can control our notifications. And we can select one of these and just proceed. Let's tap on this, and here there's going to be a statistics that shows how much we have used Facebook in the past few days or weeks. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.